Okay, so I have a $600 Airsoft unboxing from Evic. I know what two of the things are because I ordered them, and then I ordered a swag pack, and that should be it. So let's go ahead and get into it. That cut up, that's good. Let's tape them both. Okay. Set that to the side. Okay. Well, as you can see, there's one thing. Wait. Oh, okay. I won something. So here's part of my swag pack. This is Matrix on it. Let me set this. Let me go ahead and open this and then we'll come back. Got the bag open. Let's see what's in here. Okay, let's not. Oh, this is actually what I ordered. I didn't know Matrix made it though. It's a JST connector to a small Tamiya because I'm getting tired of these little LiPo batteries quitting on me over the years, so I can just use the ones I regularly use for my polarstar. So let's set that there. I got five of these A&K mags. Sounds weird. Sounds like a breath machine. Oh no, cool. Is that all that's in the box? Yeah. So these are the mags I got. They're just a small mag. And they also come with a Ranger plate, or whatever you want to call these. So that's really cool. So I got 5 of those for the 2 guns that's in here. Now 3. I don't know if this is a Springer or not. I actually ended up winning this. It's heavy. Oh, I think it's a Springer. That's okay. Oh, sweet. Won that as well, I'm guessing. Here's a booklet. It has hop-ups, so did not come with a mag. Maybe the mag's in there. Let's see. It's plastic. It's a Springer. You know, it's cool. I don't care. It's I only spent $10 on it, so. That's cool. The hammer pulls back. Oh, it's got the beaver tail, I think is what they call it. That's cool. So I got, in the swag pack, I got this hex patch, American flag, and a Springer pistol by 6mm Pro Shop. Now, this is the cooler gun. As you can already see, it's a KWA Ronin. We will go ahead and open this. Here's some of the box. Oh. Plastic chemo rails. Oh. K120 mag. Pretty cool. It also comes with a FPS adjustment tool. And then for the Second one, got APS. Bam. That's cool. Scan for user manual, get a cleaning rod. The blaster for the end. Looks to be like a hand stock, maybe. Also, this is part of the hand stock kit that I've seen. Field focus. Key mod. Sweet. Didn't know it came with the rails. That's awesome. Yes. High cap mag. I use these just to test phone guns.